Good morning, Alexus, beauties and flawless man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. I am super excited to be alive and to be able to witness 2025. I pray that you all have had a beautiful, peaceful, safe, and fun night. I had a fun time. I haven't seen members of my family in years. My family had a party. I went to the party and it was just like heaven on earth. Super excited that I went. I had the time of my life. It was just a blessing to reconnect. When we talk about family on this channel, it is for wisdom. That doesn't mean that everybody has a problem with their family or everybody just got these toxic people. And if you have toxic family, you need to cut them off. And of course, we are human, so we get offended by things and people might throw the shade, but we are to forgive them. So we do things about family here because we like to have that wisdom just in case, because we're still dealing with humans. But I don't have problems with my family. I mean, if anything, there's a misunderstanding or not communication at all. So when you don't communicate, a lot of the times people don't know anything. So I am grateful, very grateful, blessed and highly favored that I have all the members of my body in the name of Jesus, the members of my family, and that we came together and had a great time. And I pray that you and your family or your friends, you all came together and had a good time. But Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Man, I wanted to stop by on this podcast episode and remind you that anybody that the Lord has removed you from, if you got cut off last night or you did the cutting, let it be well with your soul. Come on, Jesus. Be at peace with it. And don't forget to give yourself and to forgive the others in the situation. But baby, it's 2025. If you get cut off or you cut somebody off, leave it alone. This is not the time to be caught in a strong delusion. People are crashing out. People are having all other problems. And the one thing that somebody told me is their problems is not your problems. And the same person that came from, the same rule applied. Their problems was not my problems. And there had to be some cutting off in the way that it happened. It is what it is. Leave it alone. You don't have to go back and check up on. Leave it alone. Forgive, and move forward in your life because you deserve better. And I know in my heart of hearts, my soul of soul, that Alexus Love Beauty deserves more and I deserve better. So if you got cut off like I got cut off, or you did the cutting off like I did some cutting off, let it be well with you. Forgive them, love them with the same love that you had meeting them. Baby, it's no love lost. Life is short. We don't have time to be playing these games, okay? And it's 2025. Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Man, I love you. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel, listening to the podcast. Have a fantastic day. If you turned up a little bit, I ain't gonna hold you all. I have me a couple of little drinks or whatever. Make sure that you drink a little Gatorade, do something, get your energy up, and just have peace. I love y'all. God bless y'all and Happy New Year.